Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to turn off notifications on your iPhone. Before moving next, please subscribe to my channel for more tips. If you have subscribed, then like this video at the end. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of all your apps. Now, let's take an example. Say you want to turn off notifications for Instagram. Scroll through the list and tap on Instagram. At the top, you'll see a switch labeled Allow Notifications. Tap that switch to turn it off. That's it. Notifications for Instagram are now turned off. You can repeat the same steps for any other app. This is a great way to reduce distractions and control what alerts you get during the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.